Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a Mother's Day card here. So I have a 6 pieces here, that's a 8 centimeter diameter, and I'm going to show you how to make a flowers. So with the help of the wooden stick, you have to bend all the petals just like this, and you have to follow the same process in the rest of the 5 pieces here. You have to follow the same process over there. So here are 6 petals are ready, which one already I folded all the petals with the help of the stick. So now I'm going to cut all the petals. And I have another orange paper here, that's a 27 centimeter by 15 centimeter. So this is the 27 and this is the 15 centimeter. So I'm going to attach this paper inside here with the help of the glue stick. So here is the Mother's Day card is ready. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe me here, and see you soon guys.